This stunning 1950s Coca Cola vending machine is a collector's favourite. In mint condition, the Vendo 81D has the classic rounded corners of the period and works on the original coinage. So, insert a coin, crank the handle, open the door and select from up to 9 different kinds of soda or beer. Guaranteed to get the party started, and a great talking point too. Remember these classic vending machines? Found on railway station platforms and outside newsagents, they sold our favourites: KitKat, Cadburys, Polo, Wrigleys. They're all available using the original coin or converted by us onto current coins. These original and fully refurbished machines are easy to refill with today's bars, so they're great fun for kids and adults too. Our inventory is always changing, so call us to discuss your requirements. Check out these special themed one-arm bandits. Why not let us theme a machine for you? We have a large stock of original period one-arm bandits always available. So whether it's corporate or private, IQ Pool Tables can supply that special one-off statement games room item. To discuss your requirements, call IQ Pool Tables on 0161 494 8485.